Hello and welcome to Source Sound's demo of a Clifford remote engine start off of my phone using the Clifford Smart Start app. You can now see my phone has the Clifford Smart Start app, and I can lock, unlock or start the engine at the touch of a button to be able to start the vehicle. What this will do is then send a command through to the vehicle, will now flash the lights, and as you can see, will now start the engine. This app will allow me to lock, unlock, remote engine start, boot pop, panic, and also track the vehicle. So using GPS and also being able to track the vehicle at any time to find the location anywhere in the world. The car location is sent directly to your mobile phone, and this will allow full use of the car from anywhere in the world, contacting your car via the 4G, 3G network. Thank you for watching our demo. For further information, contact sourcesounds.com.